But, you know, we do not have the ability to really PvP in this gear, since we're just trying to level up our healing gear. And unfortunately, nature isn't ideal for healing in group dungeons and things like that. So it's a lot of solo to fame it up. And then once it does get famed, you know, we can use it in PvP scenarios or doing Aber Roads. And Aber Roads is probably where we'll get most of the fame. Oh wow, that is a legendary wisp that we can't really do, but I popped it anyway, so that's a very sad day for the people looking for legendary wisps, so we're not doing that. I don't see those often.